Hi, sixth graders. Today is Wednesday, March 30th, and today you are going to be learning about the Big Bang Theory. And the Big Bang Theory is the idea about how our universe began, so where it came from. So what you'll do from the agenda is click on the Big Bang Theory link. And we have a playlist activity to do today. And so what you'll do is you will need this orangish colored sheet. And we've done these before with these outcome sentences. So what you'll do is you will open up on Schoology this playlist link. Make it big so we can see it. And in this orange part at the top, there's a bunch of different videos. It says choose 2 of the following videos to watch. Then you're going to choose from the yellow section 2 of the articles to read through. Some of them are more challenging reading level than others. So if you open up one and it seems too hard to read or understand, try one of the ones like the Big Bang for Kids is a little bit easy, or this Big Bang Interactive. Okay. And then you are going to fill out the sheet. In the green, this link is just the digital copy of this sheet right here. So what you'll do is as you go through your videos and articles, you'll fill in the outcome sentences. All right, you should fill in all of them. And then on the back, it asks you to draw a picture representing your learning. So what did you learn about the Big Bang Theory? So draw a diagram or picture to represent that. And then explain what is happening in your picture and how this relates to your learning about the Big Bang Theory. Next week on Monday when I'm back, we are going to kind of have a catch-up day. We'll do our Monday meeting and then catch up. So if there's questions that you have or things that you don't understand, I'll make sure to clarify those when I'm back. All right? Have a great day.